whispers low, so soft, so clear. Through blades of green, I feel it near. Tiny flowers sway, unseen, unseen, in the glow of a golden sheen. A lonely path, it winds and bends through the hills where time suspends. A distant gleam, it calls, it shines, guiding me through endless signs. Oh, the wind, it sings to me. Oh yeah, through the green, through the trees, a waking dream, a painted hue. Whispers calling, pulling through. A painted tower stands so tall, casting shadows, a silent call. The dreams it holds, the tales it keeps. Through the wind my spirit leaps. Oh, I hear it, soft and slow, through the fields where flowers grow. A melody, a gentle stream flowing through this endless dream. Oh, the wind, it sings to me. Oh yeah, through the green, through the trees, a waking dream, a painted hue. Whispers calling, pulling through. Oh, the wind, it sings to me. Oh yeah, through the green.